Hello, this is question 31 on ECAA 2017, and in this question we have that S and T are geometric progressions, and for each of S and T the second term is 6 and the sum to infinity is 25, and they tell us that the first term of S is greater than the first term of T, and they want us to tell them what is the fourth term of S. Okay, so remember, for a geometric progression we can work out the nth term using this formula, where A is the first term of the series and R is the common ratio. And for the sum of infinity, we can use this formula. Okay, so we can see that we can define our series uniquely if we know what the first term and the common ratio is. So let's try and work that out for our S and T. So for these progressions, we know that the second term is 6, so if we use n equals 2 here, we see that u2 is equal to AR, and that's equal to 6. And for the sum to infinity, this is equal to 25 by what they tell us. So let's solve these simultaneously for A and R. So if I say this one's equation 1, this one's 2, then 1 is going to give us that R is equal to 6 divided by A, and then if we substitute this into equation 2, we get that A over 1 minus 6 over A, which is the R, is equal to 25. And if we multiply the top and the bottom of this by A, then we get this over here. So if we multiply through now by this denominator, then we get that A squared is equal to 25A minus 6 times 25 is 150. And so we end up with this quadratic. So now we want to find some root of this, and we can just factorize. So we're looking for something that multiplies to make 150 and adds together to make minus 25, and 15 and 10 will work. So that gives us that A minus 15 times A minus 10 is 0, and so our two roots for A are 15 and 10. And they tell us that the first term of S is greater than the first term of T, so we know that the first term of S is going to be 15, because that's bigger. So S is a progression that goes like 15, then 6, then whatever other terms there are. So if we want to find out the common ratio now, we can just divide 6 by 15, and that's just the same as 2 over 5. Okay, so now we have the first term is 15 and our common ratio is 2/5, and we want to work out the fourth term of S. So let's do it here. So then the fourth term of S, we can just use this formula. So for the fourth term, U4, the A is 15 times R is 2/5, and n minus 1 is 3, and 2/5 cubed is just going to be 8 over 125. So we can cancel our 5 out of the 15, that gives us 3, and the 125 gives us 25. So then we're left with 3 times 8 is 24, divided by 25, and that is solution C.